knee action. So first of all, when you stay in this triangle, you can hold me on the shoulder. First, focus on this knee pushing back. Now remember this phrase, knee is pushing back. So we have a standing leg, we have a free leg. So standing leg right now is pushing back, knee pushing back through the side muscle. Now let's talk about this leg. So there is a few techniques how to do this, but for you, you can actually get to 90 degree then straight, but for you, I think better will work another technique. From this triangle position, which always, keep your hand here, which always you have to go through from here. Imagine like this is like a button, magic button, like there is a magic button here on your rib cage. Imagine I push this button in and your knee will go back from here. Yeah, but you don't need to slam it. Just, just feel it, warm. And as you push your knee back, same time, the foot goes forward. And no. So this is my knee, yeah? Imagine somebody press here and knee goes back. So you see, like knee goes back. So by knee going back from this moment, your foot will shoot forward. So you should not think dragging your knee because that's a little bit happens to you. What you should think, standing knee back. And now in this case, of course, my free leg knee forward. But now you will feel like you're pushing knee back. You feel back. And therefore, it sends your foot on the ball of the foot forward. Then you will slide it. And as you slide, the heel will land naturally. So the feeling of knee pushing back is extremely, extremely important. So get it back here. Push your knee, push your standing knee back. Now you can hold me on the shoulder. Now feel like the knee goes back. Boom, it shoots your foot forward. But same time, of course, your rib cage already on top of this leg. Now slide your leg a bit forward. Boom. In this case, as you land over your foot, you will have two beautiful straight legs. Now the same here. As your free knee bending through the triangle positions, of course, this feeling like this standing knee pushing back. Now from here, push your knee back here. Yes, and slide. Excellent. And knee back, cha, cha, cha. And knee back, walk, twist. Twist is here. When you twist, of course, you want to have a little bit more hip rotation, body rotation. Now think here like the knees going back. So now at this moment, your two knees are going back. And that's the very good feeling for you because our body actions are only possible to do when the knee is super straight, especially for cha-cha-cha. So you compress, now feel this knee goes back as your chest traveling forward. And then you land over super straight legs. Yes. Go. And walk. And knee pushing back, walk. And knee pushing back, cha, cha, cha. So then you have lockstep, you have a here, this is and then knee pushing back, 4, and now the knee back, 1. So you have that straightening of the knee should happen sooner, especially for you. So go walk, walk, cha, cha, cha this way. And knee back, walk, and walk, and cha, cha, cha. And in any way, for the females, for the ladies, when you do ballroom dancing competitive style, you should always feel like your knee always pushing back. And go walk. Yeah, go walk, walk, darling. And walk, walk. Cha, cha, cha. And walk, walk. Cha, cha, cha. And now, when you straighten your knee, when you push your knee back, from here, you push your knee back. As it's straight, don't slam it on the floor right away, because let your chest move forward over it. Let it slide a little bit forward, then go over the leg. If you straight knee and push it and put the heel down right away, the step become not big enough. Okay, in a sense, so there is a little bit, give yourself chance a little bit to travel, but with the straight knee. You see, when the leg's straight and you slide it, you're safe, because then you will land. Yeah, make sure finish this foot. And walk, yes. And cha, cha, cha. And already start straightening. And walk. And walk. And cha, cha, cha. Feel knees back and knee back. Walk. Feel knee pushing back, walk, and, yes. You want to have, of course, you want to have triangles, but the triangles create very beautiful actions, but you have to know how to get out from those triangles. So when we get to your choreography, pay attention to your leg action from this moment. You're going back, walk, walk. Here, actually, quick. You can have a bend knees, by the way, bend, walk. But now, for example, here you want to straight unisuna, and here straight unisuna, 4 and 1, straight unisuna, and straight unisuna, and slide walk, and very good. And now straight uni, run, back, and 2 and 3, especially now, and straight unisuna, 4 and 1, and 2 and 3, and backward walks, 4 and